Hello, friends. I hope you all had a blessed week and a blessed weekend. Well, this evening I decided to make some tea. We as Indians, we always prefer tea as an evening beverage. Well, I am an tea addict, and because of me, Danny also prefers tea now. Every home has a different way and a method of brewing some tea for their families with some enhancing flavors. Having tea together is now our weekend ritual. Since we both have a busy schedule during the week, we always decided to have some tea together during the weekend. I love my tea with some spices in it. Adding some crushed ginger, cardamom, and a clove enhances the flavor. Also, it keeps us warm during the cold and the cool weather. It's very soothing for our throat, and also in case you have a cough or a cold, it's always preferred to have some hot tea with some spices in it. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon or pepper in your tea. Well, it's observed that 70% of Indians consume tea as an evening beverage. I also love spending time in my kitchen during my weekends. During the week, it's a huge hassle for me, juggling between cooking and rushing to work. Once the tea and the spices come to boil, I add some milk and leave it for boiling. Well, I have my tea without sugar as and Danny has his tea with some jaggery. I avoid sugar. Danny has a super sweet tooth, so I prefer serving him with some jaggery. Here I am serving tea with some biscuits for the evening. Well, cleaning the TV unit was a pending task from many days. So today I decided I would organize it and keep it tidy. Well, I am a huge homebody and I love spending my weekends at home. I always love to keep my home clean and tidy, but that's again not possible every time due to the work schedules. No matter what, dust does accumulate in every few days, and it's important for me to keep things organized. I feel that every particular thing in a house has its own home. Of course, my home isn't organized all the time. Whenever I have to clean, I make a solution with equal amount of water and vinegar and I pour it in a spray bottle so that the dust, stains, and any other stains come off easily. I do have indoor planters as well, so it's equally important for me to take care of them. Indoor plants need some sunlight and water and timely attention. Well, it's very important for me to declutter the house, and I feel that you just feel positive when you keep your house clean and cluttered. Well, here you can see that Danny is moving out. He's planning to um, go out to meet his building friends. So here I am asking him what needs to be cooked for dinner because when it's weekend, he always prefers to have chicken for the dinner. So we are having a discussion as to what needs to be cooked. And as usual, I knew his answer. He would say that cook whatever you want to. But definitely it's not veg, it has to be non-veg. Well, here I would like to share a Bible verse with you all. First John chapter 5 verse 14 says, and it sums up to God hears you. This means that prayers will always be answered, and God has His own plans, and we need to trust His plans. At times we feel that our prayers are not answered and we be impatient. So it's very important for us to be patient so that God answers our prayers.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room. Got no plans, just me and you.
Hi, friends. So I had told you guys that I will be sharing the things that I brought from Goa. So here are a few things that I got from Goa. So this is the first handbag that I got. So it's very lightweight. It's a jute handbag with a white thread work. As you all can see, it's very lightweight. So it will go along with your casual wear as well as Indian wear. So it's this way. It has a zip inside and small zip inside as well. So you all can keep your things. It's good for daily wear and daily use as well. So here's the second one. I haven't used it yet. So this is a nice sling bag, which you all can again wear it along with your jeans or any kurtas or any Indian wear as well. So you can see the beautiful work over here, and then there are these shells which I was fascinated with, and hence I got this bag. It's again very lightweight. It has a zip this way. It's this way. It's spacious as well. You all can keep your mobile, cosmetics, whatever you guys want to carry when you all go along in the evenings. Even when you all go out for parties or dinners, you all can definitely carry this sling bag. It's very lightweight. And I had to bargain a lot for this bag. The price that they told there was 1200 rupees. And I got it for half price, which is 600 rupees. Both the bags are 600 rupees worth each. All thanks to my friend who helped me in bargaining. So if Valley is watching, all thanks to Valley who helped me in bargaining for both the bags. So then I got some coasters. You can see these are beautiful coasters. I just got two as we are only a family of two. It's this way. It's pretty. They had huge variety over there, but then I chose these ones. So this is all what I got from Goa because I think staying in Bombay, we get everything over here. And if you all like the video, you all can do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Feedbacks are always welcome. So you all can definitely share your feedback so that I can improve my vlogs in the future. Thank you all for watching and be happy, be safe, and you cut this portion. Thank you all for watching and stay safe and see you all in my next vlog.